Ever been in a silent room when suddenly, grrr, your stomach growls so loud everyone hears it? But why does this even happen? That weird noise has a scientific name: Borborygmy. It happens when your stomach and intestines contract to move food, liquid, and air through your digestive tract. But when your stomach is empty, the sounds get louder because there's nothing to muffle the noise. Did you know? Even when you're not hungry, your stomach still makes these noises, it's just quieter. Next time your tummy growls, just know it's not actually begging for food. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.